Hello everyone, today I learned zoology. The topics name are Mitochondria, Plastids and Cytoskeletal element and Nucleus, and the last one is Microbodies. Let's see what is mitochondria. Mitochondria is one of those organelles present in every cell. It is called powerhouse of the cell. It The process of respiration takes place in mitochondria. Here is the ATP produces. That's why called powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is also called the semi-autonomous organelle because it has its own DNA and some ribosomes which produce protein. The next topic that I told is plastid. Plastid is also the organelle. It is also a double membrane organelle. The plastids are found in plants mainly. The plastids gives color to the the plastid gives color to plastid. Plastid is organelle present in mainly plant cell. The double layered organelle is present in plant is called plastid. The outer layer and inner layer. Inner The distance between outer and inner layer is 20 to 50 nanometer. That is larger than any bacteria. It is also called semi-autonomous organelle because it also have its own DNA and ribosomes. The endosymbiotic theory has relation to mitochondria and plastids. The next topic is cytoskeletal element. It is present in animal cell. The skeletal thread-like substance present in cell to support the structure and give its motility and functional support. The three cytoskeletal elements are such as microbodies, microtubule, and intermediate filament and microfilament. The microfilament is called active filament that is present in collagen, and the intermediate filament is and the microfilament is formed by alpha and beta tubulin. Microtubule is formed by alpha and beta tubulin. Alpha and beta tubulin together form protofilament. 13 protofilament form one microtubule, and microtubule is the structure forming basic unit of a lot of organelles: cilia, flagella, micro spindle fiber. The last one is basal body. The structure in all these are 9+0 arrangement of microtubule that and 9+2 arrangement. The 9+2 arrangement is present in cilia and flagella in microtubule, and 9+0 arrangement that is called cartwheel structure present in spindle fiber that is formed by centrioles and centrosomes. And the next topic is nucleus. Nucleus is the center of any cell. It is the control center of the cell which gives information to whole cell that is functioned by DNA. DNA is the basic unit of nucleus. It is present around inside nucleus. Nucleus has double layered structure called double membrane. Double membrane structure under which DNA present in form of chromatin. When cell is about to divide, the DNA present in form of chromosome. The next topic is microbodies. Microbodies is small vacuole-like structure present in animal and sometimes plant cell which store substances. Today I learned physics also. In physics, the chapter name is Newton's law of motion. In Newton's law of motion, I learned the topics are as following: the friction, force or inertia, the 3 Newton's law, and the application of 3 Newton's law. It include free body diagram, circular motion, and friction. Let's see what is force. Force is any push or pull that change the state of any body. Its state from rest to motion or motion to rest. Newton's first law of motion, it's also called law of inertia. It states that anybody is in motion or rest, it try to remain in its state unless it acted by external force. That is called first law of motion. Newton's second law. Newton's second law states second law of motion. Second law of motion says that any body, the force acting upon any body is proportional to the rate of change of momentum, is called second law of motion. The formula is F equal to ma. That is mass equal to m and a is equal to acceleration. Third law of motion. Third law of motion is also called action-reaction force. It says that every action has equal and opposite reaction. After that, the topic is types of force. Types of force include two types: contact force and non-contact force. Contact force. The contact force is a type of force which acts when two bodies come in contact. The following are types of contact force: normal force, spring force, applied force, tension force, and friction force. The non-contact force, it's act by without coming in contact with the two bodies. The following are the non-contact force: gravitational force, electrostatic force, and magnetic force. That's all.